Welcome to my channel. How is it going over there? From my hand right here, I'm really feeling happy today. What I truly want to believe on, tell you on how to do is how to create a logo. I'm gonna show you the process, from start to finish. Without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the corridor. We are going to type our test. Locate your test tool. Then let's type our test. We are going to be dealing with gifting royale. So hide this right now. This company, they deals in gifting, the package gifts, and all of that. So what we're going to do, we are going to create a logo according to, we are going to portray in what they do. In this design, we have to really infuse some kind of gifts into it. So watch me as I move on the processes. So right now we are going to create a gift, create our logo right here. I'm drawing a gift kind of right now. Then you copy this, then you right click to make a copy of that, then you bring this down to the squeeze, let it be at the center of this. Group these two together, then you center this within it. So right now we are going to be, let's create an object across this. So what we are going to be doing right now, we are cutting off this area, trim, then let's delete this. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna really create something at the top of the box, that's so that I could indicate a gift. So right now we are going to now select this, then press F12 on your keyboard. A dialog box pops up, then you change the thickness of the line that you created. Then you go over to objects, convert outline to object. Automatically changes the whole thing, so be able to maneuver things. So as this right now, make a copy of this to the other side. Boom, you can see. Right now let's create a bar right here, make it black, center it within that. Good. Center this within the object. Good. So right now we are going to be creating click on your ellipse tool, then create a perfect circle by holding on your control key, then you drag it, so automatically perfect circle shows up. So right now we are going to be taking we are going to take in the outline of the circle. Let's make it 3. That's not okay. Go over again. Let's make it 6. Good. So as this right now, we are going to be, let's make this gifting royale, capital letter. Let's press shift F3. Automatically it pops up a dialog box. Then you click on uppercase. It's okay. So good. Now as this right now, we are going to be changing the, let's change the font we are using. Then okay, small letter, title case. So right now, break the text by pressing Ctrl key on your keyboard, automatically breaks. Then let's make a copy of this circle, then make this a bit bigger, then click on your shape tool to give space within the text. Then you right click on black to make, then go over to F12, change the thickness of the outline to hit OK. Good. So right now we are going to be curving this. We'll curve this text on this arc right here on the circle. Press shift on your keyboard, then you select the circle, then you go over to text, then you locate fit to parts, so automatically it fits into that part right there. Then you go over to your object, locate break text apart, automatically breaks. You'll be able to delete this, but as this right now, we are not going to be deleting it yet, so we are going to curve this royale, beneath it. Do you understand? So right now, click on your shape tool, give a space, then you press shift on your keyboard, select the circle, go over to text, locate fit to part, click on fit to part, automatically it fits. Then you drag this dot right here, drag it round. So if you get to your destination, you release, then you go over to this page. Can you see this? Click on mirror, then you click on mirror text horizontally, so automatically snapped into it like that. Then you drag it down. Okay, now if you're okay with that, you release, then you select the circle, you go over to object, break text apart, so automatically it breaks. Then you delete the circle. Can you see right now? So we are not going to be leaving this place blank. We will have to create a star, because then you create your star by locating polygon tool, then you press your shift down to give it a perfect polygon object. Then you locate your shape tool, then point your mouse out to this dot right here, then you drag it inward. You have to hold on your Ctrl key on your keyboard, then you drag it in, so automatically you can see the outcome of it. So this is a star already. Then change the color to black. If you want to see the beauty of what you're creating, if you are creating a logo, you have to work in black and white first before changing it to color. Can you see the process right now? What we're going to do right now is to make a copy of this star, bring it up, then you copy right there by right clicking, then reduce that a bit, then you bring this, make a copy of that star down here, then you right click, automatically it copies. So as if right now we're going to make a copy of the whole thing. Right click, then make a copy, then you drag down here. So select the stars, then group it all together, center it within the circle, so automatically bam, it snaps into that. So right now we are going to be changing the color right now. So let's make a copy of the outer layer. That's not okay. Delete that. So as this right now, we're going to be changing the colors. So apply color. Let's give this magenta, the circle magenta. Then you send it back by pressing on your keyboard. Pressing Control page down on your keyboard. Then you select the gift. Change it to white. Change the whole thing to white. Good. So right now we are going to be changing the text, changing it to magenta, then change the royale to magenta as well. So you only leave all this. Let's just leave the outline as black and the stars as black. So here we come to the end of the tutorial. Can you see the outcome of our logo right here? Can you see it? Perfect and very simple. It's for a gifting company. Thank you for following me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below, and don't forget to turn on the notification button in case I have something special, so you'll be prompted on that. So thanks, bye for now.